Morning, guys. Here's how I secured a $574 payout on a fucking AWS outage that happened on Topset. For those of you who trade on Topset, know that the system glitched, the fucking market collapsed, the world crashed, everybody's wins got voided, everybody's losses got voided. My fucking $762 win that I did yesterday got voided, and things are fucked right now within the problem space. For those of you that know. However, I'm taking just this quick video just to emphasize on the fact that a system glitch cannot fuck with real expertise and cannot shake the real traders. If that's what you'll take from this video. All right, guys. Yes, there's a system glitch. Yes, things are fucked. Guess what? We can still request money, and you can still request money. Okay, the trading is not going anywhere. But yes, guys, here is the fucking $574 payout. Literally the weakest payout of my career so far. I got it about 10 minutes ago, but keeping it transparent and still bookkeeping it with you guys every single thing that I do. Small payout, big payout, 1 million, 10,000. You know. Without further ado, let's get right into the charts and show you how I made this money real quick. So here's a trade that I took this morning on New York session. Caught this short position right here towards these lows right here. Very quick trade. I also took a few trades on Asia. Right here, this is a 1 minute time frame. Did take this short right at opening, targeting these lows. I'll break them down right now in a second. And I also took just two scalps on Asia. I also actually took these scalps the minute I just literally just woke up, saw my phone, and I saw that my balance had gone from 1.4 to literally 950, which was the balance that I had prior to the 762 win that I had on yesterday. So I was like, wow. I was like, damn, that's fucking flawed. But I just immediately just went on the charts. It's not like that, like I impulsively reacted from it. I've been trading Asia for a while. Trade Asia actually a lot. I have some experience with Asia, but I just fast forward test some trades in the XFA, risking very little, and oftentimes sometimes they play, sometimes they don't. It is what it is. I just do it to build buffer and get those fillers in prior to New York session. Don't advise it if you're very new. If you're just starting, stick to one session. Absolutely, less is more. That sticks to all on all aspects of trading. I just trade very discretionarily and I make myself available and follow my edge at all times. But pretty much simple right here on this first scalp that I took. Barely points versus barely money towards this 5 minute lows right here. Happened at night. Pretty much A plus setup right here. We had it displaced higher, took out a lot of buy side liquidity here, started reversing. I caught the last leg continuation towards the next draw on liquidity after that reversal right here. Here we inverted all of this PDA raise right here on the 5 minute, massive CSD, market structure shift towards the downside, 5 minute lows right here. Simply waited for the last retracement and caught the last leg of the move down towards these lows right here. Made some money right there. Price kept dumping down. Same thing here, guys. Price pulled back up into this imbalance. Caught the last continuation down towards these lows right here. Small scalps on Asia. The real spill I want to drop right here. Small scalps, but it's still within the continuation model that I follow. You guys, it's still the same trade I always catch. And it's actually funny enough, the same trade I just caught right now at opening. All right, guys. It was very unfortunate that they did avoid my win, but I just literally upped my frequency a little bit within my edge and within my model and just secured a winning day and got some fucking money despite the chaos. Honestly, that's pretty much how I saw it. Just up the frequency of it. This is not gonna happen all the time, and just adapt it to the situation. Right here, guys, market opening. We had these data highs resting above us here from 826, and we had this London's lows right here from 4 a.m. I targeted literally a continuation down towards these next draw on liquidity, which happened to be London's lows after we respected bearish PDO raise. Also, on the higher time frames, I was actually. It's funny enough how I am bullish on NQ, but I've actually been noticing what price is doing and reacting very with a lot of objectivity towards it. And Trading very discretionarily and trading what I see. I am overall bullish on NQ because yes, the overall timers are very bullish, but because we've been overextending so much, I know price has to rebalance back down inefficiencies and tap into some PDA rates before it continues pushing higher. And I trade a lot of what I see in the moment. If New York session just opened, I'm going to target the previous session's liquidity and the overall lower time frame next draw on liquidity that could potentially happen at the time. Meaning, yes, we can be bullish, but if I am noticing now a crazy nice reversal and a market structure shift, I'm gonna objectively wait for price to paint the picture, create lower lows, lower highs, or higher highs and higher lows, see what PDA rate gets respected, and if we are changing direction and then we are targeting towards some sell side liquidity, we're basically trading lower, trading higher. I'm going to catch a continuation on wherever side we take. Okay, guys, maybe we're bullish, but we need to rebalance back down into these lows, take them down before we continue pushing higher. If the setup is there, I'm going to target these lows. This is pretty much what I'm trying to say. Despite of the overall higher trend, I trade what is being presented. Okay, guys. Right here from opening price, I created a 5 minute bearish for value gap right here. I said, yes, okay, I'm overall bullish, but if price holds this PDA rate bearish, I will look forward to short towards London's lows right here, as this is the next draw on liquidity. This is my key liquidities for the day. London's lows and these data highs right here. I'm looking to catch a one-on-one towards whichever side we take after we respect any PDA rate in the middle of it, which is exactly what happened today. 5 minute right here ended up holding. The minute I saw that, I had also taken shorts for one on ones through Asia. So these setups I'll take with a lot of conviction. A lot of conviction. Continuations just percent higher win rate than any reversal or any high RR, shoot for the fences type deal shit. 920, literally right pre-market price came back up into this 5 minute for value gap. And the minute I saw that we didn't get a crazy inversion and a crazy strong candle close above this pretty array, instead we just rejected from there. I entered at this rejection down. Literally had not the best entry. I entered almost targeting already this swing low right here, but I knew London's lows were here. Funny enough, they actually got edged, came back up into this PD array and then continued pushing down. I don't like that undecisive choppy PA. To me, that's not the best PA. So when I see my target being edged, I manually close the trade. I've explained this on previous videos. I will continue to always do that. Like, I'm not sitting here and waiting for price to reverse on me, get stopped to break even when I know I could have secured 19, 16 points. Yeah, like 19 points. Like, dude, I'll take that. I'll take that. Fifth winning day. That's pretty much what I did. Lowe's got an edge, came back into this imbalance right here, and then continued pushing down and ended up sweeping it. So the bias was overall correct. Okay, guys, continuation towards the next draw on liquidity using higher time from confluence. Create this 5 minute imbalance here. Market opens. We've already displaced lower on the lower time frames on the 15. Where on the 5 and the 15, we're actually 100% bearish already. On the 1 hour, we've already started displacing bearish. We were also inside a 1 hour bullish for value gap here, but that could have also been the target, right? See if we are if it's going to get ran through or just target this essentially, right? Which also I use this influence that target down into that for value gap. Market opens, retrace back into this gap, respected, easy short towards these lows right here. Okay, guys, so that's how I made $301 trading the Nasdaq this morning. And with the previous trades is how I made, I believe it was on the first scalp. This scalp was about, I think about $60. And then this one was a little bit more, and I ended up making like 281 on Asia overnight. It's unfortunate because my $762 win still got voided. But like I said, it can't shake the real skill. Not the best month so far, but hey, completed the fifth winning day. I still got a whole week to cook, and the only objective right now is to request more money before the month ends, so I end the month in full profit. And it'd be, I don't know, I believe the fifth or sixth month of being profitable in a row, which is great, at least for starters. And yeah, that's how I did it, guys. quick day, easy day, matrix attack, but we still managed to pull through and secure the same trades I always catch. Okay, price is fractal. The markets don't care about what's going on in the back end. They're gonna move. The algorithm is gonna remain. Liquidity will be hunted, and you can make some fucking money. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep it short, keep it simple, and yeah, catch you guys in the next one. More payouts, more journals, and more trenches. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.